we'll be seeing about history of transport. See this path, children? This path was made by humans. He used to walk from one place to another. This is how they traveled everywhere. But after a point, they figured out that they could interact and use animals around them. They used horses. They used to sit on the horses and direct them wherever they want to go. Soon they started to build stables and sit on them and travel comfortably from one place to another. And they also figured out how to travel over water by making primary boats. They build boats in the shape of fish so that they can travel easily in water. The most significant and important thing that happened in this time is wheel. So here is the funny thing. The wheel was invented for pottery, not for traveling. They used to make pots with the help of wheel. Human beings realized that the wheel could be used for better purpose. 1500 BC, the human beings started using carriers that tied to the horses. When these horses move faster, the carrier also move faster without humans spending much energy. The advantages of the wheel are people could cover more distance in a shorter time and more weights could be transported from one place to another. For thousands of years, animals are used as a main source of transport by human beings. Then in 1712, the next major invention had happened. Something called steam engine was invented. They use steam, which is produced from the steam engine, to move machines. First major use of steam engine was developed in 1804 for trains, and they call them as locomotives. Railroads were constructed for these trains to go from one place to another. Then for few years, steam engine had been improved and made smaller and smaller, and automobiles had been made in 1885. These automobiles are used to travel shorter distances. The steam engine was not just used on the roads, it took over the water too. The steam engine ship were developed in 1918 and traveling through ship became easy. They used steam to turn the turbines under the water and they pushed the ship forward. The human beings decided land and water was not enough, so then they took over the sky. In 1900, the Wright brothers invented the first aircraft called as flying glider. It was slowly improved and a part for carrying over goods and passengers across the country. This is much faster than any mode of transport. Steam was now replaced with the fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. As a result, automobiles became smaller and faster. We gave them a new name called as cars. There are many varieties of cars. Not only that, bikes were also being developed for one person to travel to the shorter distances. And buses were also developed for large group of people over to travel a longer distances. And trucks for transporting materials and things to a shorter distances have been developed. After the age of petrol, the next fuel is electricity. The first electric train was developed and next cars and bikes too. Hope you enjoyed with me, kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.